Part 2 of the unboxing from Evite. Let's go ahead and get the second box in here. Okay. Sorry if the video is not too good. We had to move areas. It's too loud in there now. Everybody wants to watch TV. Alright. Best way to get a hold of this. Alright, we got the Condor Outdoor mag dump pouch, so I needed that pretty bad. Looks pretty good. Okay, we got our camel back. Oh. Okay, that's odd. I didn't order this. Okay, but anyways, got the hydration pack, also known as Camelback, and yeah, I needed that. Didn't order this, but it's trash. Looks like an M4 upper receiver. Another stock that I didn't order. And pretty much it for this box. So, okay, here's the 511 belt. That's what I was looking for. 511 belt. But it's all messed up. It's really messed up. Velcro's not even really working. And it's got a couple of rips actually in it. Very disappointed with this. But anyways, that's part 2. Be looking for part 3 in the description. See you next time.